Can you answer these chemistry questions about molecules? Each of these multiple choice questions are going to have a diagram and 5 answers. Butanediolatic acid is a relatively complex acid molecule that has a structure shown above. What is the molecular formula of this molecule? So for this question, all you're doing is looking at the elements that make up this molecule. Pause if you need more time for these questions. The answer here is B, C4H4O4. To figure out the molecular formula, all you have to do is count the number of atoms of each element. In this case, there are 4 atoms of carbon represented by the C, there are 4 atoms of oxygen represented by the O, and there's 4 atoms of hydrogen represented by the H. Next question, which of the following diagrams indicates how water molecules hydrogen bond? So in each diagram, you can see there are 2 water molecules interacting with each other. Which of the diagrams shows the correct interaction that forms a hydrogen bond? The correct answer here is C. This is because hydrogen bonds form between the oxygen atoms and the hydrogen atoms of neighboring water molecules. This is due to the covalent bonds within the water molecules forming electronegative and electropositive ends of the molecule. Those positive and negative ends will interact with each other and form these hydrogen bonds. Next question. In this molecule above, there are blank total atoms, blank total elements, and blank total bonds. In this question, you have to count the number of atoms, bonds, and different elements. The answer here is C. There are 4 total atoms, 2 different elements, and 3 total bonds. Each element is going to be represented by a different letter, each atom is one of those letters, and each line represents a bond. And lastly, which electron dot diagram represents hydrogen, or H2? I'll give you a hint, hydrogen has 1 valence electron. And the answer here is B. This is because hydrogen only needs 1 electron to fill its outer shell, which means the 2 hydrogen atoms are going to share those 2 electrons and form a covalent bond.